Hi boys and girls, yes, Matt from the Real Toy Shop here. What have we got you looking at today? Well, in this no edit walk round video of one of our super duper bikes, we're going to show you a 2019 BMW S1000 XR. Sports touring missile, almost adventure bike style, S1000 RR in an upright position, almost. It's triple black, it's a low chassis with a low seat and lowered links. So come on, let's have a look at it, see if you like it. If you like it, that'd be good, because then you might want to buy it. Or you might just be here to listen to it, have a little neb while I poke the camera everywhere that your eyes want to be. So if you do decide you do want to buy it, you've seen it all. If you decide you just want to watch, well then you know exactly what it's all about. So if you do like watching bike videos and you're not here to buy, then go and have a look at some of our other ones, because we've got flipping dozens of them. And if you can show support to our little family business here in Grimsby, all you got to do is click subscribe, hit the notification bell, drop a comment, do something good, and then apparently the algorithm will like us, and we will grow, and we won't disappear, and we won't become all a corporate blob. Right, that's that bit over with. Let's have a look at the bike. And thanks to all you guys who stop by all the time as well and drop the comments, because you're always appreciated, you know that. Right, come on, without further ado, let's have a look at the bike. So, it's triple black, we said that, and we also said it's got a low chassis, low seat. So if you've got short legs, bike for you. And gold forks on here means electric forks, which triple black, basically SE in a black colourway, which looks cool as custard. Under there, we've got some rad guards and oil cooler guards, which take your investment. It's the era when Brembo brakes were on the BMs, and we've got Michelin, I think the Road 6s. We'll have a look at the back one that I can spin, but fairly certain the Road 6s, and look at the tread on that. Now, I'm not going to begin to know everything about all these bikes. We see an awful lot of bikes. I know a little bit about a lot, but not everything about one small bike. So if you know something, or I miss something, or something you think I get wrong, just get it in the comments down below, and we can all have a laugh and a giggle, and that's why they're no edit. But keep it nice. Remember, we're all bikers together, we're all in the same community. Let's try and be nice to each other, if it's possible. Look at the condition, exhaust, cats, everything else. Low seat, as I mentioned, triple black. Black with the gold S1000, looks ace. Motor Graphics tank protector, they do a great job of the gel protectors and stuff, localish company to us, and they do some good stuff. Round here, what we've got is a set of panniers and a top case. Now everyone wants them. Now these, I think previous owner may have got them off a different bike or something, I don't know, but there's some scuffs on there. And this is a modification, which you may or may not like, but that's basically zip ties, tie wraps, whatever you want to call them, with some tape round. Yes, doesn't stop you putting your pants in there or anything else. Now I could take those off, throw them away, and the bike would look better in some ways, but you're going to want them, aren't you? You're going to want to go away on this bike and take your pants with you and your socks and everything else, and you've got something. So you may not ride with those on, so seems a shame for me to just throw them away for that reason. So you get a set of bags and a top case, take them as free bonus. You can use them, throw them away, do what you like with them. Right, so down here we've got some paddock stand bobbins, and as I said, Michelin Road 6s, still got the pimples on, look like they've been on the bike about 2 weeks. Really, really, really good nick. Coming up, we've got LED indicators on this model, and we've got another pannier around this side, which is exactly the same, apart from it hasn't had the modification of the tie wrap and the tape. If you want it to match, you can always pull that off, get some tie wrap and tape, and make it match. Or you could buy an handle for the other side. I don't know if you can get one, to be fair, so tie wrap and tape if you want matching. Top box has got a backrest, top case, colour coded, looks good. Coming around here, chain of sprockets all looking good. Again, paddock bobbins, And moving around, we've got a quick shifter on here. All in good condition. And then, remember me saying about it's got lowered links. I have not seen any like this before, but they're adjustable. So, under here, I'm going to try and poke my camera, suffer for my art. Yep, I'm on the floor. There you go. They're adjustable. So that centre barrel, you can't quite see the other end, but that centre barrel, unlock the lock nuts, spin that round, adjust the bike to the height you want. So, it's set for short-legged at the moment. If you want long-legged, you can turn that up. But as you can see, it's got the lowered seat and it is a low chassis bike. So, great if you're a little shorter in the leg department. I am myself, feels comfy on the bike, feels all right to be fair. Being a triple black, which is basically the Sport SE, but with some more extras, you've got heated grips, rider modes, you've got built-in sat-nav, you've got the screen, I believe, adjusts. I'm trying to work out how it does, but I believe it does. Don't know how, but anyway, that's another thing. I'm sure it does. That's why it's on this parallelogram. Anyway, is it electric? Could be. Don't take me at my word. Drop it in the comments. I'm on the fly here. I've forgot. Told you, no edit. Cruise control, trip info, electric suspension, as I mentioned with the gold forks there, and just your simple LCD display that gives you all the information you need. Down there, if the camera will allow it, which it's not looking like it will, so let's come around there. PowerPoint, so you can plug in your heated gloves, heated suit, or your sat-nav if you don't want to use that one. And of course the scroll wheel, which you can use to control your sat-nav, should you have one. Coming down this side, it's not all beat up and battered, it's lovely. And the paintwork looks fantastic. A couple of marks touched in, I did say on the top box, side cases, sorry. Sure I mentioned that, but if I didn't, I have now. Brembo brakes, wheels all looking good, and again your front tyre, look, pimples away on there, look. So not been on there long. Steering damper hidden under there. And these things are an absolute missile that, as I said, basically sort of an S1000 RR in different trim. Bit down on brake horsepower on an RR, but then you'd want it to be, wouldn't you? Because you're right up there. Got a sort of multi-strada style of bike look to it, which is what it is, so that'll be why. So, there you go, that's your bike. What can we do for you on it? Well, if you've got part exchange, on our website, spookily marked part exchange is a page that collects all the information I need about your bike, your boat, your banana, whatever you're part Xing. If you need finance, give us a call on that number there, monthly payments. Don't do them online, we have to speak to you, etc. It's much better to do that anyway. So, that's that. Then we get down to the delivery. Yep. Here at the Real Toy Shop, we have always delivered for absolutely nothing. So if you see the crazy crafter on the road, give us a honk. But it'd be me dropping this off to you most likely, unless you're in a real far-flung place, in which case we have a dedicated motorcycle courier. So that's how that works. Dead simple, isn't it? You Irish guys as well, if you need a bike, we've got couriers that we can put you onto, and we'll discount the bike a little for that. Or I can meet you up at Cairnryan or Holyhead or something like that. But everybody else, mainland UK, you should be seeing us, or a dedicated motorcycle courier. Right, that's that. But on the delivery, you could come and look at the bike. You don't have to just have it delivered. You can come and see it any time, have it delivered another day, come in the car on a rainy day, something like that. But if you guys who can't get, and I understand everyone's busy, if it turns up, there's a big screw there and big screw there. Not that one, because that one we know is there. It's touched in. And that's got tape on it. So you get my drift. This is your receipt for your bike. We will have a look at it. If it turns up and it's bashed, well, no problem. We'll just put it back in the van and bring it back. But this is exactly how you should receive it. And that's only the right way, isn't it? Get on the website. There's a page, spookily marked delivery, which talks all about things delivery, timeframes, etc. So get on there, have a little look at that, and then give us a call. Right, let's hear it make a noise. For that, Don't forget, if you need permission, ask your missus first. Mother, brother, dad, lover, get them asked. Then we'll have a serious conversation where all the mad questions you're asking actually going somewhere and you've had permission already. And we don't end up with, I'm off to ask my missus first. Cause drives us crackers, be honest. Right then, noise time. Make a noise, Matt. Right, let's have a look at the mileage. Dum de dum dum dum. 17,112 miles, and I've got the light right over that, haven't I? 17,112 miles. Fantastic. In road mode, it's got 3/4 of a tank of petrol, which is worth 3/4 of the value of the bike or one of my kidneys, whichever. Yeah, we all know what fuel is these days. Let's hear it run. Yes. She's been warmed through, but we'll wait a couple of seconds for the oil to get round, and then we will let you hear the pipe. Ready, steady, go. Oh yes. Sounds absolutely lovely. So if you've got a tour, or you just want to commute on something mad and fast and everything else that looks good and you've got short legs, this could be the bike for you. ABS lights flashing, Matt. Go watch one of our other zillion videos where I explain why that happens on modern bikes. Not a fault. Not a fault. So, that's your bike. Thank you for sticking with us this far. If you have, thank you. And you want it in your shed, even better. So, number one, part X. Nearly got my finger out there. Part exchange. You know where to go on the website, fill that in. Number two, if you need some monthly payments, give us a call in the office, no problem at all. Number three, just get it paid for, let's get it in a van, get it to you as quick as we can. Now, those millions of other videos I was telling you about, YouTube thinks this one's your favourite, or this one, this road trip here, or whatever we're doing, and this subscribe button, that's the one that really helps us guys here. So thanks for watching, and don't forget, if you want this bike and you need permission, ask your missus first. See you on the next one.